Welcome to a new episode of our podcast dedicated to regulatory affairs and life science. In today's episode, we will talk of the use of data mining in PMCF data analysis and real-world questionnaires. Data mining is a set of advanced techniques and methods used to analyze huge amounts of data with the aim of identifying patterns and correlations between them. Applied in the sector of medical devices, data mining allows the extraction of significant knowledge from data collected during post-market clinical follow-up, the PMCF, and from real-world questionnaires filled in by users or patients. This advanced analysis helps to better understand devices' performance, identifying potential room for improvement and ensuring a more effective monitoring of safety and efficacy of the product. Regulation EU 2017-745, the MDR, stresses the importance of clinical data for the certification and maintenance of the conformity of medical devices. According to the MDR, manufacturers must collect and analyze post-market clinical data to demonstrate the continuous safety and performance of their devices. In such context, data mining turns out to be a strategic ally, permitting the extraction of precious information from the PMCF data and real-world questionnaires to meet the regulatory requirements on surveillance and continuous clinical evaluation. Advanced analysis of PMCF data and questionnaires can use different methods. Cluster analysis allows the segmentation of groups of patients or users with similar characteristics, simplifying the identification of specific risks or response profiles. Regression and predictive analysis techniques allow the identification of correlations between clinical and performance variables, providing a concrete support for the prediction of the efficacy of a device. For instance, the natural language processing, NLP, when applied to questionnaires, allows the extraction of relevant information from textual comments, highlighting recurring issues or strong points. Finally, the association rule mining allows the identification of hidden relations between variables, such as the association between given features of a device and specific benefits or limits. The implementation of data mining in the post-market analysis process allows the improvement of risk assessment, anticipating potential criticalities, as well as the optimization of post-market surveillance strategies, with targeted interventions based on the collected evidence. Besides, it offers valid support for the regulatory decision-making, providing sounder data for the maintenance of the certification and the compliance with the requirements of Regulation EU 2017-745. In spite of the pros, the use of data mining in the PMCF analysis presents some challenges. The quality and neatness of the data are critical factors, since the presence of incomplete or inconsistent information may compromise the analysis accuracy. Besides, data management should meet the rules on personal information protection, such as the GDPR and the MDR, ensuring the safety and confidentiality of the collected information. Finally, it is essential to ensure that the identified patterns have a real clinical and regulatory value, preventing any false correlation that might lead to erroneous decisions. The integration of the data mining in the analysis of the PMCF data and questionnaires is an important opportunity to improve the post-market surveillance management. With suitable techniques and sound data management, medical device manufacturers can obtain strategic information to ensure safer and more effective products. The future of advanced analysis looks promising, with more refined developments and the introduction of AI and machine learning tools for a predictive management of medical device risks and performance in compliance with the requirements of Regulation EU 2017/745. Di Renzo Regulatory Affairs offers strategic support to manufacturers of medical devices in the management and in the post-market data analysis in compliance with Regulation EU 2017/745. Thanks to a team of experts, Di Renzo Regulatory Affairs assists companies in the collection, processing and interpretation of post-market clinical data, ensuring that generated evidence is appropriate for the requirements of the competent authorities. Moreover, they provide advice for the implementation of data mining techniques, supporting manufacturers in the identification of significant patterns and in the assessment of device efficacy and safety. This approach will allow companies to optimize post-market surveillance, improve their product quality, and enhance regulatory compliance. Thanks for listening to today's episode. If you want to listen to other podcasts, sign up for our channel, follow up on the social media, and join us for next episode.